Are you tired of clutter and chaos? Say hello to sleek and simple living. Today, we're diving into genius design ideas for modern minimalist bungalows. Imagine a home where every corner is functional and fabulous. First up, open floor plans. They make your space look bigger and brighter. No more feeling boxed in. Next, think about built-in storage. Hidden shelves and cabinets keep everything tidy. It's like a magic trick for your home. Now let's talk about natural light. Big windows and skylights can make your bungalow feel airy and welcoming. It's like bringing the outside in. And don't forget about neutral colors. Whites, grays, and soft pastels create a calm and cozy vibe. Plus, they make your space look super chic. Ready to embrace the minimalist lifestyle? Start small, dream big, and watch your home transform. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more awesome design tips.